In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and download GTA 5 from Steam. We'll keep this simple, clear, and beginner-friendly so you can get the game onto your PC without any confusion. Start by opening the Steam client on your computer. If you don't have it yet, download it from the official Steam website, install it, and sign in to your account. Using the official site helps you avoid unsafe downloads, and signing in ensures your purchase is saved to your library. Once Steam is open, make sure you are on a stable internet connection and that you've got plenty of free storage space. Since this is a large game, head to the Store section in Steam and use the search bar at the top. Type Grand Theft Auto 5 and select the official game page from Rockstar Games. On the Store page, you can read the description, check the system requirements, and compare editions. Choose the edition that fits your needs and budget. Some versions may include extra content or bonuses, so take a moment to review what's included. Complete your payment with your preferred method and confirm the purchase. Keep in mind that regional pricing and taxes can vary. And it's always a good idea to make sure your payment details are correct before finalizing. Steam will confirm the purchase, and the game will now be linked to your account. Before installing, know that Grand Theft Auto 5 requires a Rockstar Games Social Club account. Steam will prompt you to link or create this account when the game first launches. It's free, and it's required for both single-player updates and online features. If you already have a Social Club account, you'll just sign in and link it. Now go to your library in Steam. Find Grand Theft Auto 5 in the list on the left. Select it and click the blue Install button. Steam will ask you where you want to install the game. Choose your preferred drive and folder. Then accept any license agreements. If you are short on space, consider installing to a larger drive or an SSD for faster loading. The download will begin. You can monitor progress in the download section, pause and resume as needed, and keep Steam running in the background. This is a sizable download, so give it time to complete. Once it finishes, Steam will finalize the installation automatically, and the game will be ready in your library. That's it. Thanks for watching.